again. We have another special website review courtesy of Eufy. Definitely check these guys out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. They have the Black Friday deals going on now. Huge savings on their smart robotic vacuum cleaner and their Eufy home security cameras. So all you gotta do is click the link down below, check them out, and here we go. I'll show you the couple things that I would suggest to buy, and this is one of them right here. One of my all-time favorites is a smart robotic vacuum. Huge savings going on now. Usually it's $12.99. Now it's $5.99. Click on that. This has everything you need: hydrojet, 20,000 PA turbo suction, all the good stuff, all in one station. So you just fill the water up and let it go. They have an app for it. You can run it off your app, set your time to clean your house, so you don't have to hire a maid or anything like that. They got solar cams on sale, especially the NVR security systems. These cameras are amazing, guys. You can have it through your small business, your home, anywhere that you need an extra eye, so you can stay ahead of the bad guys. Hopefully that never happens, but times are getting crazy now, and you definitely need some home security cameras. And like I said, they got huge deals going on now, so there's different ones to pick. It all depends on which ones you like. One of my favorites also is this one, the S30. It has the membrane right there, extra hard drive, terabyte 4-cam kit, or you could go even smaller with the solo cam 4-cam pack, which is $319 right now. Heck of a deal. You save $230 on those, and on this one right here, it's $549.99 right now, sale. And there's a coupon code right there. All you gotta do is click on that, and then boom, $319.99. Huge savings, guys. So now's the time to buy for your home, your small business, and you'll feel a lot safer. But I'm telling you, the Eufy cam is amazing. Amazing quality picture, easy to use, easy to install. They have magnetic cams where you don't have to make any mess. If I could find them really quick. But I've done quite a bit unboxings on my TikTok and on the YouTubes also. So I mean, definitely check these guys out. The #1 company for home security and smart robots. So if you're looking for something to get that hard person to get in your family, definitely check these guys out. And like I said, I'll leave the link down below. I'm not sure if Amazon's gonna be having the same sale, but definitely click the link down below and you could compare the prices. But the website right now is offering huge savings. So like this one, the S4, the kit, usually it's $1,400, and you get a major saving of $14.99. So definitely check them out. And there's this one right here. This is another one of my favorite ones that I have. You can save $50, which is $99.99. Solar, everything easy to install. So they got other options. They got bundles you could do. So all you gotta do is click the link, click on the Black Friday sale right there, and it'll take you right to the page. See right there, security, clean. And they also got smart robotic lawnmowers. So I mean, for next year you could buy, I mean, depends on where you're at in the world, but definitely check these guys out, because they have amazing products that you definitely guys should get right now. Take advantage of the sales. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Sorry for the long video. Take it easy.